Hello. Oh, hello. Está ligado. Okay. Hello, everyone. We are starting. Okay. So, can I make this smaller, please? Maybe I'll put the chat here. Yeah, it's better. The statistics page, it's wide. So okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. Just configuring everything. 1 second. Still need to do something. Let me close this. Welcome everyone to the stream. I'm just starting to share the stream. Creating a post. 1 second. I'll try to be and do it faster. Sorry. I have a lot of tabs open. If you guys could see this, Jesus. I need to start removing some tabs. Okay, what do I need? I need this. First, it's quick, it's quick. Sorry. This is going to be quick. Need to... Okay, so we are live. Let me... Yeah, I think everything is working. Welcome to the stream. Okay. So I have everything opened. Hopefully it works out of the box. Perfect, perfect, perfect. What do I need? What do I need now? Yeah, 1 second. Just sharing the post. Really quick. Really quickly. Right. Everyone. Send, publish. Confirm. Let's remove this. And do the same thing on Telegram on the Crazy Tech Studio announcement channel. It's perfect and more like it. Okay, so okay, let's proceed. Okay, now I'm fully ready to embrace development. Okay, let's go. Welcome. Do I have water? I do have water here. Hopefully the stream is with great quality. I hope. I'm trying to refresh the Twitch channel because it's not sharing, really. 1 second. I think I started it for Twitch, but maybe not. Weird. Like, okay. Sorry, 1 second. Like, I don't know why Twitch is not starting the stream. Yeah, this is weird. Let me put it here. 1 second. Yeah, this is really weird. Why? Okay. Why it's not working? I think I know what's happening. Maybe it's because of the encoder that I'm using. I changed the encoder to a new thing. I'll put it 800 as well. Maybe.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, hi. Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, I'm back. Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, is your game available in the Play Store? Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, your voice is not available.
Oh, thank you. Thank you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Okay, the stream like went off for a bit and it crashed my OBS and I restarted it and now it's working. So yeah.
Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, yeah.
Okay, nice. So what I was talking about is the fact that I deployed by accident to the App Store, to the iOS App Store, because I was trying to move it to tests, like internal testing of the app, like the family and friends test the application before I submit it. But what happened was, okay, I was trying to do the internal testing and I accidentally submitted the app because I thought it was the way to do the internal testing. Yeah, it's weird, but that's what happened. For the Play Store, since I have already deployed applications, there was no problem. I knew how to set up the internal testing. So yeah, what I'm trying to achieve here is basically I really want to have a stable, I wouldn't say stable version, but an improved version, so people can play the new version and check what the game feels like with the new version and not the old version. And that's why I'm keeping this version. Yeah. I hope that I could reach 500 subs, so I can have the donations enabled via YouTube. But until then, we do the grind and we will do it slowly, steady but slowly to reach the goal of getting there. So yeah. So what we need to do today, hopefully we can do it on time, is I will add a suggestion made by A185 Gaming that he asked me if I could add like the sorry, I'm configuring the UI a bit because this is too big and I don't like it. Okay, nice. Where I was.
Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, let me see if I can help you. I will ask my friends to follow you.
Oh, thank you. And a word like word of mouth. Hopefully, people will follow. And like today is the spaceship explosion. The second thing is sound effects and music. Add more music and sound effects to the game. Like make the game feel more alive, I'll say. Also, we will do camera effects, rocket ship, map creation. Okay, we will do the map creation as well. Like we will create at least 3 maps. So we will have 3 maps to play. At least that's the idea. even if they are basic maps, I want to create them to have them ready to go, so people can have at least multiple choices in terms of the map that they will be playing. I think that's my goal for today. And camera effects, it's a really huge one. I'm confident that we will get there today. I don't know, like I really don't know the difficulty of implementing that, but I'll do my best.
Mohan Nambiar says, hi.
Hi, welcome to the stream, Mohan Nambiar. Welcome. Oh, sorry. Okay, player name. I should. Okay, first of all, I don't know what's happening regarding the issue on start, so I might start with that because I really don't want to do anything that can cause issues. So basically, what this is telling me is that I haven't the object set up. I don't know which object. It could be the player info or it could be the player name input. So let's check one by one. Okay.
Space Unveiled says, hi.
Oh, welcome, Space Unveiled. So yeah, see, the player name input field is completely empty. So what we need to do is basically grab it from the options menu. Maybe I was using this for another thing, and what do I use it for, honestly? Set player name. I think the player name that this is talking about is for the single player when you enter the game menu. So I don't see any point.
Sage says, hi.
Hi, welcome. Welcome to the stream. So I don't see any point on having that. Huh. Because player name changed and we changed the name. And this is used by an asset that's the input holder. But do we set up the it's an input field. So this should be working, but it's not. What? Wait, what? What did I do? Copy component, welcome to the stream. So I just really don't know how to pronounce your name, but welcome. Feel free to ask any questions. Really, so weird. And I think I will not select the sprite. Right? And the color, I need this color. just for it to be equal. 200.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, hey, I asked my friends to follow and I think 4 of my friends followed you on it.
Thank you, really appreciate it.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, are you only in YouTube?
No, I'm actually in Twitch as well. Twitch, I have a Discord channel. I'll link you the YouTube and the Twitch channel.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, oh okay. Tech Dev says, link.
Yeah, I think that's the link. But the stream is not starting on Twitch. I don't know why. But that's the link for the Twitch YouTube channel. The YouTube channel. Jeez. For the Twitch channel. And for Discord, let me grab it. Discord, sorry. Oh, and I do have Telegram if you want to follow it there. As well. I need to create a bot to handle
Tech Dev says,
this, honestly. Automatic messages. I don't know if the social stream app does that. I don't think so. But I need to consider that. I need to yeah, I do need to consider that. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, here. The player input. Now I do have the player input, but I don't know what happened that it lost the reference to the field. It's so weird. See, like, it's so weird. And I think I used the correct one because I added from the UI, right? Yeah, I did. So weird. I don't know. The color 128. Okay, 128, and the color will be the placeholder is like 200, and this one is 200. Okay. Okay, and I need to center them. So weird. Really don't understand what happened here, but I'm trying to fix it. So this 10 7 10 6. Okay. 10 7 10 6. Mm. Perfect. Okay. Let's go fixing UI. Oh, I need to disable the UI. Yeah, thank you. Hopefully this fixes it. I don't understand why it lost a reference to it. Okay. Player name input. I know right now that we do it. Come on, I did select it. Did I? Did I save? What? What's happening? What the hell is happening? I saved. I'll go to the initialize. I'll play. Oh, thank you for the follow on Twitch. Really, like the Twitch, I have it. I have it opened. Thank you for the follow. So weird. What the hell is happening? Why is this behaving this way? What the hell did I do? Like it. I know I already messed up, but come on. What the hell is wrong with this? Like it lost the you guys saw, it lost the reference like out of thin air. What the hell? Why? Just why? TMP underscore input field, yes. And I'll remove this, and I'll remove this, just for it to re-import. I don't understand.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, are you currently streaming on Twitch?
I can tell you that I was supposed to be streaming on Twitch, but I don't know why. Like, Twitch TV stream URL, but I need the RTPM Twitch TV stream RTPM, but I need the RTPM Twitch stream URL. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't crash the OBS. Okay, let's see if this turns on. Is it turning on? I don't think so. It's so weird. Honestly, this is so weird. You can't believe me. This is so weird. Like, I have the keys. I have. What the hell? I changed the URL to this one. What? Can you store it? What? Okay. Okay, at least this time it's saved. I don't know. It was putting an weird URL for our RTPM.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, Ciao, mano, mame esto licando para jantar.
What? Okay. Your mom is calling. It's calling you to have dinner. Have a nice dinner. Hopefully this time the stream started. Like,
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, thanks.
Have a nice dinner. This is so weird. I don't understand why it was putting a weird URL. Okay. Maybe it's not. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to do this because what the hell is happening? Why the stream? Maybe it's trying to use some type of configuration. Let me check. What type of configuration did I use? Okay, I'm afraid of starting it up. I really am. Because like I need to have a custom OBS exit, and I think if I change it to software it will crash OBS. But we will see. I'm really concerned with this. I don't want to touch that, but at least it's coming. Okay. Anyway, what the hell is happening with this input field? I really don't understand why. It's always losing like the reference. See, what? Maybe I need to delete like cache or something. I really don't know. Chase me to the moon. Let's turn off this and let's remove this. And logs. I don't want to remove anything that we need. Hopefully I didn't remove anything that we need. I have my folder here. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to figure it out because it's so weird. It like I can't explain why. Like I never had that problem before. Maybe, and this is a maybe. Oh, geez. Maybe it's something related to the TMP. Maybe this version of TMP is bugged or some stuff similar. I have no clue. So what I will try to do is I have this here and I have this here and okay, and we are going to change it to like 3.6 wherever. I'm rolling back because I don't know why, but I know that it was working, but right now I really don't understand why it's having this type of issues. It's so weird. It's unexplainable, honestly. Hopefully this will fix the problem. I'm not 100% confident on this, but we'll see. Okay, at least it's loading the icons and whatnot. I really have no clue what is happening. Really have no clue. Like what? Why? Oh, what the hell did I do? Okay. I think that version might have some issues. That's yeah. See, like right now it doesn't throw any errors and it's working. Yeah, like what the hell? What? Why? I think I need to issue a bug report to the TechSmash Pro. I know it's Unity, but yeah. Okay, nice. Now we fixed the issue. I know it took longer than it was needed because it's so weird. I'll start with a spaceship on explosion. To add that, I don't think it's really hard. Hopefully it's not that hard because we can do like we already have like a fire and explosions thing that we can put here, and supposedly it will do what is intended to do. So what we will do, yeah, here, and then okay. Let's turn them on. Let's put them on in place. Okay. So okay, I'll check that. Anyway, no, I will check that in a bit. But basically what I need is an animator here for me to test the explosion. Can I simulate it? I don't remember how to. I think you can do something like window animation. Put it here. And if you select yes. This needs to be here. This is the pointer. Position. Pointer position. Okay. I don't want to start a stream on Twitch, but I want to. Hopefully this doesn't crash. I'm not that confident, but yeah, just 1 second. Let's save this. So the player now has the explosion in it. No, it shouldn't start as enabled. And it doesn't need to do this like that to destroy itself. It doesn't need to do this. So I just need to kind of remove this. Yeah, let's unpack, because I don't need to, sorry, unpack completely. This is a completely different thing. So let's go. Initialize. Scene loader. What I'm going to do is I need to code the explosion on the player. I'm like, what? So I think I will add another like player explosion. I could add it to the effects, but it's not the same thing. Player. I could add it to the controller. Because it like it's a single instance. Serialized field. Yeah, private game object. Player, sorry. Player explosion. Player explosion. Game manage, what? No, game object. Game object. Okay. This is the MP player. And I'll need to do the same thing for the single player. SP player. Yay. Player. Oh, game object. It's the fire explosion. And we'll have a method. Maybe I either do a subscribe to the game ended. Okay, I'll do like on enable, and I'll do like game manager dot on game. Okay, and I'll add the private. Perfect. Yeah, and it's basically that. What I need to do is, oh come on, player explosion dot set active. And I'll put it, if it's not a win, I'll explode it. No, I won't do that. And I think I'll just activate the explosion, and I'll need to disable it after a certain time. I can do it with AI enumerator. Enumerator. Private AI enumerator. Disable explosion. Perfect. Jesus. This is not the best approach doing this, but yeah. Maybe I can do like something. Can I? Wait for a second. It's time. Oh. I think it's task that it's not healed, right? Yeah, it's like this. And in milliseconds, or I can add a time span from seconds to. Okay, so, okay, I really want to try this because I never messed around with tasks in Unity, like a way to sync, sorry, a sync await. But I'm quite used to working with that, so I really want to test this out to see if Unity runs the code with a sync await. I really am curious to see if this is going to work. Honestly. Oh. Let's try in single player because it was the thing that I changed on. Am I? No, I'm not having any errors. I'm gonna stop my character here to see if I get targeted by asteroids for me to lose, and to check if it explodes. Like, the asteroids are taking so not that much damage. I don't like it. I like it when they deal damage. Supposedly they are taking 20, but I don't think. Yeah, I didn't saw it. So what I'm going to do is okay. I'm gonna do player set win, and I need do I have which ship do I have enabled? Do I have that? I think I do have that, like player camera, player controller. I need to know. I know that we are able to select the ship that we want. So scenes UI. It's not UI. It's not scenes. It's prefabs. And I was there. Come on. So they need to be disabled at the beginning, by the way. Then and I have. I'm gonna do like game object. So what I'm going to do is okay. Take damage. Astro movement. Lol. Come on. What I'm going to do is layer on elf effect. I don't know why I use the take damage method. Like, and the asteroid, I really don't understand why. I can put it here, but why? I'll let it be here. And I think for the effects multiplayer, I remove the need, honestly. I remove the need. Like, I know that I have put it something regarding the oh, just effect? What? Oh, maybe it's not here. Maybe it's on the player effects, most likely. No? What? Yeah, I need to configure that. Ah, Jesus, I did not remember that. I know I had something regarding the sound manager, but I need to review it then. Yeah. No problem, no problem. So what are we going to do?
A-185 Gaming says, hello, I have Easter holidays from school so I can watch your streams again.
Okay, thank you for coming. Do you know what I am implementing? Welcome and have a nice holidays, by the way. Have nice holidays and enjoy it. Basically what I'm doing is...
A-185 Gaming says, no, I don't know.
I'm adding the explosion that you mentioned. Remember? You mentioned, okay, when you lose, you should have an explosion to the rocket ship, and I'm doing that.
A-185 Gaming says, oh yay.
I'm just trying to fix this. I don't think I can play a prefab. Yeah, I can't. Oh. I just want to die. Okay, now they are not taking damage. Come on. Like, I think I don't need this, right? Because I do the validations above. So yeah. Okay, so but the elf thing, it's so weird because like the bonus should be applying, but it's not applying on elf bonus, size bonus, elf bonus, and astro effect, elf. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Yeah, they are using the same one. I want to be it. Okay, now we are talking. What the hell was happening? Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Haha, nice. I like it. I like it. Did you see? Did you saw? Sorry, did you saw the explosion? Amazing. What? I'm gonna open my
A-185 gaming says that was nice AI start.
Nice. Now I need to do the same thing for. I need to do the same thing for multiplayer, but at least it's working, and I liked it. Nice. Now I need to on player death usage. On player death. Where is this being called from? Yeah. Oh, I already do that on multiplayer. See? I instantiate the explosion, so I don't need to do that. I instantiate the explosion on the environment, and then the player is removed. So the multiplayer was working with the idea of the explosion, but I think the main thing is it's instantiating and whatnot. But what we need to do is basically we need to disable. Sorry. Yeah, supposedly it's working. In theory. So now the single player already also has the explosion part. I like it. Honestly, I like it. So The next thing that we need to do, we added the explosion. That's nice. Now, camera effects. One of the things that I'm concerned of doing, honestly, is the camera effects. I never implemented camera effects, so this is going to be a challenge of itself, honestly. But I will try to do my best. I think the environment should always be solid colors. I like doing like a pinkish because of the game. Yeah, something like that. So I already imported the camera effect. I think I did import it. It's like Cinemachine. See, we do have it here. And I know that I have imported it. Effects, line trail, ragdoll. Let me check the name of the plugin that it's called Feel. So let me I'm just checking sorry, I'm just checking the Feel plugin. I have it installed. Okay, so it does improve the overall feel of the game. That's why I want to understand how to use it. So let's see. Let's watch this video together. Feedbacks. Jesus, what the hell? Jump feedbacks, play feedbacks. Okay. The video is amazing. I really loved this plugin at the time, but I don't know how to use it. I really don't. So we need to read the documentation. I think this is the same video, right? Yeah, this is the same video. I really want to make the game feel juicy, because that creates the that really creates the environment, and this is really important for the game feel. If we can make it pop, we should make it pop always, and that's why I bought this, and that's why I how to install. To add fill to your project simply by using So I need post-processing, Cinemachine, TextMesh Pro, and Animation 2D. Okay. So we need to add them. I'm learning as we go. So yeah, nice. I think it's Unity Registry that I need. Like, what was the name? Post-processing, animation 2D. Okay. Post-processing, okay. Animation 2D. Cinemachine. The Cinemachine is already installed. Cinemachine, yeah, exactly. And I don't need anything else. Okay.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, which app are you using?
The browser? Are you talking about the browser? This is Brave.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, know the code.
JetBrains, it's Rider. This is Rider. This is from JetBrains. I really do enjoy JetBrains code editors. So now we'll see. Now let's go to my assets. I downloaded the last one. Let's see Phil. They told me to import the version on 3.0, but honestly, Phil, URP demos, and I need to do the URP demos. Okay, so let's test this out and see if this is working. Sorry. Okay, it shakes the screen and whatnot. Okay, it's... For example, this one. Jesus, the difference between the feels, it's so much different. Jesus, it's so annoying. Okay, so let's see what I can do without knowing anything about this library. I'm learning. I'm like learning as we speak. So, okay, we have it installed. Now, let's see what we need. Contents and assets, okay. Demos, feedbacks, getting started. Okay, let's go.
Hello and welcome to this.
I'm not going to watch a 35-minute video, maybe later. But now, let's try to do it without doing anything. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. I will mess this up. That's the most amazing part of it. I'm just learning. I'm reading. Okay, I'm just reading it. The thing is, do we need to like adapt our code to trigger the things? I think so. I think I need it.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, did you ever have a negative comment or chat in your live stream that hurt you?
Why do you ask that? No, I don't. It's a weird question to ask, but no, I don't. But why? But why are you asking? Okay.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, just for fun.
Okay, okay. So let's try to add it on single player first. And okay, let's try to add it when an asteroid collides with oh my god, this is gonna be wild. Jeez. So I basically need a serializable field with private it's like it's not playbacks. What was the name of the object? feedbacks, yeah. And I need like explosion feedback. And I need I'm gonna put like this because we don't know. We need to put it like this because okay, sure. Because we are not 100% sure that but why would you do that? Okay. This is like a simple code like jump feedbacks. And they do use the dot. After this they use the dot. Sorry. Here. Okay. So let's try it. I don't know. I really have no clue. Don't save? Yeah, don't save. But yeah, sure. Let's okay, so I added that. Nice. Feedbacks. Okay, so they are telling me that I need to use MMF player because they said that it's the thing that you need to start it. Okay, so I'll do like, can I do like a camera shake? Camera shake. I'll do a camera shake and I'll do like a camera flash. Something like that. I just for it to be like funny or something like that. So it's not it's player. It's weird why, but sure. It will be the same code, at least what I got. Then I need to assign And supposedly that's it. It's not completely it, but we'll need to go to like single player. I am really concerned about this part, so I'm gonna keep a copy of the camera. And I need to do something like convert to Cinema Machine or don't remember. Cinema Machine 2D camera. Okay. I'm gonna disable this one. Hopefully this doesn't. I don't think it's being called by anything, so it's fine. Okay. This is weird because I never use this, so post processing. I don't want to have a focus processing, so I need to add a, okay. So then I can add, okay, space, screen space, ambient occlusion. I'll consider it. So let's see if I haven't messed up anything. I love this because like I just can't know the Jesus, not okay. Like the camera is moving. Not the camera, the map is moving. But the camera is not tracking. Where's the player? Something weird happened. Clear. Weird. What? This is weird. Okay, the player was spawned and it's using this one, so it's okay. But this is not tracking. Yeah, I was trying to move this, so yeah, it's not going to work. I need to get this. If I have this here. Okay. On the simulator, it is not showing. It's like I need this, and if I, like for example, if I follow, for example, sometimes I just don't like these cameras, okay? It's so weird. Like, I know that the player prefabs chips player. I know that the player right here goes, sorry, and it has like a player camera or something. Yeah, it has the player camera that will update and whatnot. And it's calculating the boundaries and moving the camera along. So, yeah. Instead of main camera, I will need to create a virtual camera. Cinemachine. Virtual camera. And instead of doing this, I need to use this. See, I can't. Yeah, it's so weird. It's not get component. Does honestly it could be, but I don't think so. Yeah, you can get the brain, but you can't get the Cinemachine virtual camera. So don't do this. Just follow. Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea. It's so stupid. Target. This is stupid, but it might work. Okay. Yeah, they'll look at. I don't need it to look.
Harbor at number 039. S Fact Finder says, yay, congratulations.
What? What? Just like I am trying to implement. Come on. What's
Harbor at
wrong?
number 039. S Fact Finder says, you got your 100 sub on YouTube.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. We reached it. It's amazing. Thank you everyone. We reached while I wasn't in stream. I don't know how did I gain that much followers, but thank you everyone. I really appreciate it. Okay, so what's wrong? Is this the yeah, this is the multiplayer version. Come on. But what's causing the issue? Really? Oh. Okay. And player effects. This is the multiplayer part. I don't need that. I need the single player one first. Private. Cinemachine virtual camera. Yeah.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, your first milestone is complete.
100 subs. We need 500. We need 500 subs to reach the... Yeah, my first milestone. That's correct. But we need to reach 500 subs to be able to receive donations. We'll get there. We'll get there. But yeah, that's a huge milestone. 100 people subscribing the YouTube channel. That's huge. So Cinema Machine.
A-185 Gaming says, I'm still here DW. I'm just playing with my friends online.
Nice. Have fun with your friends. By the way, tell them about my channel. Share my channel with them if they want to subscribe. I'm just telling you, maybe. So I don't know if this is going to work, but Jesus. Supposedly, if I don't need to move. I just need to move the player. I don't need to move the camera. Okay. Cinema Machine target group. Sorry. Okay. Private Cinema Machine. Cinema Machine target group. The player will not have a reference to this, but what can happen is targets. I think I can add member, and I'm gonna put like this. This point game object, this point transform. 1-1, yeah. Hopefully this works. I'm not that confident, but oh my god.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, do you have a goal that you have to acquire in your lifetime?
I do have a goal for my life. I have multiple. One is I have a wife. I have a house. I have my company. And the fourth is do something that will change the world as we live in. Something that was really important for humankind, mankind, you call it. Yeah. At least it's moving. Okay. Now I know. I need the Z to be to be correct. What the hell? The target it's following, and I need to be able to okay. We'll see if this works. I know this is not the optimal code, but it will only be run once. At least it's showing something. It's following something.
Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, for you to not get bored, let me introduce you. Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, my name is Sage.
Sage. Welcome. Hello, Sayuj. My name is João.
Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, I'm 13.
Okay, you are 13. That's nice. You are quite young. When I was your age, I was creating servers to play with my friends Minecraft. When Minecraft was that Minecraft that we know, like a whole Minecraft. Jesus. Yeah, that's... I really don't understand why it's not working.
Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, I'm also a beginner 3D artist and a published author.
Published author. So you are learning 3D and a published author. Did you publish something? If so, congrats. At your age I was playing around and having fun, like playing games all day when I was in my vacations. Vacations, yes, but all holidays as well, like school holidays. Jesus, it was so fun. But yeah, and at your age, 13, I like my schedule was like when I was on holidays was like I went to the beach with my friends and we just stay there like the afternoon. Then we come back to, like, everyone goes to their houses, we have dinner, and then we played until like 4 a.m. and we did that every day of our holidays, basically. Not all days, but a lot of them. It was fun. Nice. Player clone. I don't know the camera thing. I don't know what's happening with the camera thing. Let me debug it. Maybe it's not getting the reference that it needs to get. No, actually it does. It does have that reference. But this dot parent, this transform dot parent. Yeah. No, not parent. No. What? No. Mercy is correct.
Harper and number 039. Fact Finder says, I've seen vlogs of Portugal. It's so beautiful. I love it.
Oh, it is. It is. Portugal is beautiful, but it has some problems of corruption that I don't like in the government. But yeah, Not only on the government, but everywhere, and okay. So, is it working? Okay, at least I'm moving the camera, which is okay. I'm okay with it. I just need to know like the astral movement. Play feedbacks. The thing is, since I was... Okay, at least the camera works now, which is quite nice. I will copy this to every one of them. Base component is new. Base component is new. Okay. So let's see. Oh, no. No. I need to do this, and I need to do this. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if the camera shake is so subtle or camera shake. Okay. Let's try it out. And I do love the food. You should check what was the name? Mark Weens. If you like food, you should check his YouTube channel. Mark Weens. I see some videos of him, and I really enjoy watching it because he does food tours, and I watch it with with my girlfriend, and we really do enjoy watching his travel vlogs because you honestly can learn about places and yeah, it's amazing. And food, honestly, we love food. So So maybe it's this. Initialization mode, it's awake. So auto play on enable. Maybe I need to read the documentation. But basically what they tell you is you need no, this is just the example of you adding things on.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, can I play your game RN?
Oh, I really want it. If you have an iPhone, you can. I just need to understand. You need to add a post-process layer to it. Set its layer to default. Like, I did it, I think. Sorry. Okay, I don't have events, but I have the virtual camera.
Harbor and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, I'm an Android user.
Okay. You are an Android user. Okay. Let's do this. I want to finish up the camera effects. Once I do that, the next thing is sound effects. Okay? And then I'll just copy and paste every single time the maps. So we have 3 maps. They will be the same map, but at least we have 3 maps. And I will ship this version that we already have, so you can test it out. Okay? You and your friends and family.
Harbor and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, okay, thanks.
Yeah. Do I need to add something? Because I did not understand it. I'll do as well the volume settings. Like, I'm not sure if this is going to change anything. But yeah. The next thing that I need is now back on the processing. Create an empty object, call it post-processing. But I think this is for the get started. So yeah. Core concepts, okay. Initialization, making sure everything is correctly set up.
Harper and number 039. S-Fact Finder says, do you have Instagram?
I do have Instagram. Is at Crazy Tech Studio. But I don't post that much on there. Okay. So what it's telling me to do is volume. I think it's this. And then you set this, and you just add a vignette effect, post vignette effect, camera shake. Okay, vignette, yeah. Okay, sure. Okay, and then adding camera effect feedbacks. Select the camera, add camera shaker. Okay. Create an empty object at the root of your scene. Okay. Create an empty object, tests, feedbacks. I'm gonna use the player. And then camera shake feedback. Okay. And add camera shake. It's not. Do I have camera shake? Yeah, I don't have it. So it's a camera effect. Okay. So something like that. It will give me a bunch of errors, but yeah. Well, let's do something else. Let's do this. Okay, let's copy this. Let's move to the map too. Let's paste this, remove this and this, change the name. Perfect. Right? Perfect. Okay. Let's just add an empty object. No, not an empty object. Let's just add a 3D object. 3D, no. Sprite circle, sure. Let's reset the position. Okay, so we have a circle. And if we play, then we can go to the feedbacks, reset. Settings. Why it's not enabled? Select feedbacks from on start. Let's remove this. Let's look like camera flash. Let's put like a blue color. Okay. Let's add like a flash. Okay. Let's put a blue color. Sorry, I'm hungry. I need to eat something. Maybe I need to add more effects to the global thing. Can I try like it's enabled, right? Can I put like a vignette effect? Maybe it doesn't apply for mobile? No, it should apply for mobile, right? Like center, intensity, I'll put like really intense. And let's do film grain, yeah, thin, no, like let's make it pop. Intensity, really intense. Let's add another one. I'm not sure. Okay, anyway. For example, I added a lot of things to the global volume. Let's reset. Oh, maybe it needs to, instead of solid color, it needs a skybox. Maybe it could be because of that. I don't know. Like, I'm not seeing anything. Let me switch to this. No. Okay. I'll duplicate this and I will remove the player and I'll do MMF feedbacks. I'll add camera shake, and I will add
Harbor number 039.
camera.
S-Fact Finder says you have a company, right?
Yeah, I do have a company. Safe mode full. Autoplay on start, yes. What? Interesting. Maybe it's because I'm using a orthographic view. Like the volume is here. What? Why I'm not seeing that on the game? What the hell? What? Okay. For example, if I do this. This is so weird. Like, I can be wrong, but it doesn't make any sense. What's happening? It doesn't make any sense. Like, I have switched this to perspective. What's wrong with this? Use a skybox, please. Defaults. For example, I can use this to generate the light, but I just wanted
Harbor number 039. S-Fact Finder says, are you the only one working or somebody to help you?
I am the only one. I want to make it like sorry. Resources. One second. Resources. Materials. Material. Okay. Right now I'm the only one, but I hope that I can hire people in the future. Really. It's gonna be procedurally, high quality, yeah, sure. Skybox. I really am interested in. Okay. Okay, I need the lights. Okay, for example, this. I have a global light. I'm intrigued, honestly. Like the camera, it's not using what's supposed to use. Like, if I put a solid color, okay, let's put it, okay, something like this. And if I start it, the camera shakes will not work. Okay, doesn't work. But if you do the same here, it should, or here.
Safe the Neighbor says, hey, remember that dude who called you Ronaldo?
Yeah, I remember. I do remember. Welcome to the stream. So weird.
Harper and number 039. S Fact Finder says, 10 Ayuma Humanoid, Jasao 11H30 Domina Hora de Dormer, Ciao. Safe the Neighbor says, that's me on the new account.
Okay. Welcome. Bye, Harper. Have a nice night. Hopefully tomorrow I will have the game published. Hopefully, I'm gonna do my best to achieve it. I just really want to implement this. That's my goal for today. Welcome on your new account. That's nice. So, like, I have this. I really don't understand why. Like, I'm gonna see the demos that they have.
Safe the neighbor says, how has her day been, Bree?
What? No, my day is going great. Like, we are having a problem on Twitch that the Twitch is not working, like the stream.
Safe the neighbor says, bro asterisk.
No problem. And I'm right now I'm trying to understand what's wrong with this. Like, I'm trying to do something with the events. I am really not used to this. Like, this is the first time I'm trying to use them, so
Safe the neighbor says, man.
Yeah, this is new to me. And it has cameras? What? So it has a post-processing.
Safe the neighbor says, remember that joke about iron I said?
Yeah, I kind of remember, not 100% sure, but it was something related to Rust, the Rust programming language.
Safe the neighbor says, it's so corny.
It was something regarding the Rust language, wasn't it? I know it was something like that. I know. Impulse listener. Okay, let's see. Single player maps.
Safe the neighbor says, it said what is Iron's favorite game. Safe the neighbor says, the answer is Rust.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Ah, Jesus. It's a really nice, honestly, it's a really nice joke. What do I need? I have the main camera. It's base perspective, like solid color, and okay, let's copy this. Okay, no, not this. Post-processing volume. It's a post-processing volume global. I created mine, but I will copy this one because why not, right? Base component values. I don't know what this does, but it does something. Sure. And if this works with a thing, yeah, it's fine. Then I need to copy the camera. At least I'm gonna copy the component.
Safe the neighbor says, man, what did you do today because I am 9FF from school for 2 weeks?
Oh, you are going back to school, right? What I did today was for now I just added the explosion to the ship, and I'm learning as we go, and I'm trying to implement screen shake effects to when an asteroid explodes, when you collide with something that makes you big. Yeah, things like that. Add visual feedback to the user so it makes the game pop. At least that's my goal. Okay, at least that's my goal. Cine machine, impulse listener.
Safe the neighbor says, I'm gonna make a scratch game that's 3D.
You go. It's really hard, by the way. If I only saw once a person making it, so really, if you make it, that's impressive. Not joking. It is. Target, shooting machine target, feedbacks.
Safe the neighbor says, it's easy.
Okay. It's nice. I'm gonna copy this one to here. And then I don't need anything else, right? Okay, let's say that I don't need anything. Let's remove. I don't save anything, and I do have it I do have everything here. So like here, then we start. Okay. It has a null reference. What? What's wrong? I thought I copied them. The camera, the main camera, honestly. I really thought.
Safe the Daber says, a 3D scratch game can be simulated in a 2D plane and look 3D.
Yeah, that's true.
Safe the Daber says, I'm telling you it's simple.
You just need to. It's basically how Doom was created. It's about. It's basically based on perspective. I know that, but it can be done. No, it's not impossible. Okay, it's not impossible. Like strike feedback. What's this? But last scar.
Safe the Daber says, so you make a 2D map and a 2D player.
Okay. It has a lot of things animated.
Safe the Daber says, you make the 2D player send clones of a sprite that does the simulating.
Okay.
Harper and number 039, S-Fact Finder says, Messi or Ronaldo.
I will be biased then. It's like for me, I'm Portuguese. It's not about that I'm Portuguese, but that's like a question that most people will answer. Of course, from a Portuguese person, it will be Ronaldo. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. What the hell? Why it's not reproducing? Do I need to delete this?
Save the neighbor says, and basically it measures distance to the next wall in every degree in the fog range. Basically it sends the raycast sprite many times over, it moves, and if it detects the wall it goes back to the player.
But to that, in terms of...
Save the neighbor says, then it moves to the next degree.
True. True. But for that you need a lot of calculations, and it's quite heavy in terms of calculations. That's why it's not like it's not that it's not doable. Okay, it's doable, but it's not the easiest to do in terms of computational power, because you'll need to always be casting array. Maybe I'm just like having problems with, like, I need a cube. Maybe I need a cube. Okay, cube here with another rotation, cube here. Just to see if it does anything. I don't think so. I really do not understand why the game simulation yeah, like, what? Why it's not showing? I don't need to see the gizmos. Like, why it's not showing
Save the neighbor says, and it calculates that to then change brightness depending on distance to player and then makes it darker the more far away it is.
But that, yeah, you need a shader for that.
Save the neighbor says, that's what Illinois do and it's simple.
Good luck, really, and well, I know we will make it. At least the process is there. Like, maybe I need to use like just a virtual camera, 2D camera. What's the difference between a virtual 2D camera and Machine? Like, just a virtual camera. I'll do 0, 0, minus 10, 0, 0.
Save the neighbor says, I could do the shader, it's simple, just put the block set brightness effect to distance.
Yeah. You are correct. Machine. I don't think I need it. This
Save
is so
the neighbor
weird.
says, I could make a sprite for each pixel.
Don't tap in caps. I think you can. I can make a sprite for each pixel. But that will just clog up the game, and you like, the game will become huge. If you can implement a 2D shader, that will be the best option. But I don't know if you can call the shader in Scratch. If you can, yeah.
Save the neighbor says, so I would make a column sprite like a sprite for each column.
Oh, yeah. Like, If you're talking about walls, or I am really like, I'm just what?
Safe the neighbor says, only pixels will go side to side, not left to right.
Okay.
Safe the neighbor says, like side to side, not up and down.
Okay. I'm like, what? Don't need this.
Safe the neighbor says, that would be very easy to raycast.
It's fill strike volume profile.
Safe the neighbor says, BTW, it would be easy to calculate it.
Okay. I'm not like, I'm not saying that you are not able. I know that you are able to do it. I just don't like coding in Scratch. It's so weird. Come on. What the hell is going on? Like, that's trigger sound.
Neighbor says, so how it would work is that it will set brightness of each column to distance times 2. Safe the neighbor says, and that's the whole shader.
I just want to see like white balance. Huh. So it's the volume then. Did I copy? No, I did not. Maybe that's why. So, if I remove this, let's see if they play automatically. Something is happening. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this.
Save the neighbor says, does it seem easy?
So it will work. Yeah, it is. But can you code the shader? Can you code a shader that will run on Scratch? That's my question. I really don't know.
Save the neighbor says, the shader is the easiest part.
Okay, I'll have it.
Save the neighbor says, the hardest part is getting the distances.
Oh. But do you have the player position? So basically you'll need to emulate a 3D position, X, Y, Z for every object. And you need to subtract one by the other, and you'll get the distance.
Save the neighbor says, that's not what I'm using. Save the neighbor says, it won't jump.
Even if you don't jump, okay, you need to, because it's a 2D. But yeah, it's the same. It's the same. And one subtracted by the other to get the distance, if I'm not wrong.
Save the neighbor says, you won't look up.
Only to the sides, like Doom, right?
Save the neighbor says, yay. Save the neighbor says, left and right.
Yeah. Not extreme, I just mild. And then if you... They are not doing anything, and it's quite pissing me off. Okay, all of them are here.
Save the neighbor says, so basically did you understand how it works or die I need to restart?
I understand it, you don't need to restart. But thank you. So weird. First of all, the problem that I'm having is I'll delete this camera. I don't care. I'll clone this camera. It has something that is weird, but at least it's working. It's this. Oh, no way. I missed. Oh, jeez. I'm so dumb. Oh, gosh. Why? Why? Okay, way better. So... Jesus. Oh, gosh. But even this is not like correct, or like let's do like 0.5 amplitude 100.
Save the neighbor says, so I could also add a calculation to calculate how long the column will be. Save the neighbor says, and add a black background.
Yeah. So let me stop this. Let me camera shake.
Save the neighbor says, so yeah, I think I comprehended 2D from 3D.
You are going to make it. Yeah, but that's it. Wish you like you can do it, man. Do it. Okay, no, it's not here. It's on the virtual camera. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna do cinema machine checker. Okay, I think it needs to be in gameplay. Another percent duration, amplitude. Jesus.
Save the neighbor says, that calculation for length is easy, just length divided or nullified by x equals the length. I will find x soon by looking through numbers, but it will work.
Nice. Oh, come on. Now it has post-processing. The only thing that's missing is I need a global post-processing volume to have.
Safe the neighbor says, and yay, I think I just comprehended making a 3D maze game.
So you're having fun. That's nice. That's the most important part, at least for me. It's you should be feeling excited when you are doing the things that you like. It's really the most important part to me. Thank you for the likes. I think the camera shaker, it's wrong. And the wiggle. Like, I need a camera shaker to be on the camera, but...
Safe the neighbor says, so I think adding enemies and bullets would be hard, but Illinois add a maze first.
Add a maze. I think adding a maze will just like make you understand and figure out how can you implement it, like the next steps. So like amplitude, that's like a duration, like frequency, like 100. 100. And you need to add like, okay, supposedly the camera shaking is there, but I'll try to add like feedbacks to the things. Cinema machine impulse, camera zoom, orthographic view, cinema machine impulse, and like I don't know what's this. I don't know what this does. I'm like,
Pella says, proud 100.
Thank you, love. Thank you, my love. I'm like, what? Like, let's try like film grain. Let's do like I know this will do a lot of things, but I'm trying to like increase slowly the film grain, which is actually doing that, and then removing it. Yeah. I think what I need is like a vignette effect. Maybe if I distort the lens a bit as well. For 2 seconds. Give changes. I just want to see it. Okay, but for that I need to add lens distortion. I need to depth of field, motion blur, and I don't know what's this. I'll add everything. Everything.
Save the neighbor says, I am making Doom but on Scratch, so Scratch is doomed.
Scratch is doomed. That's a nice joke. Okay. What's wrong? Oh, yeah, that was those wordings. What? What the hell happened? I liked it, but it's so weird. What? Let's do like 2 seconds. I think it was this one. What? Yeah, it's this one. What? Like camera. I just want to add like a effect, like a camera shake or a camera zoom as well. Okay. Camera zoom, for example, this one. I want to have a lot of camera stuff. Clipping planes, fade, field of view, flash, camera shake. I don't know why. But let's remove the first one and the second one.
Save the neighbor says, Scratch Cat meeting the Doom guy.
Scratch Cat meeting the Doom guy. Yeah. Oh. What is happening? Okay. Lens distort. I don't like the film grain. Don't need this. But I need to add, it's not to the virtual camera, but I need to add to the post-processing volumes. The shake. Field of view shaker. Shaker. I'm gonna add everything. Jesus. I don't know.
Save the neighbor says, equals.
I don't know if I need to add to the camera. Alien kills cat, cat equals death. That's
Save
true.
the neighbor says, the Doom guy killed poor Scratch Cat.
The Doom guy killed the poor Scratch. Okay. It's funny. So let's not do the lens distort. Or can I do the lens distort? So weird. No. Lens distort, no. What the hell is happening? I think like since I added camera zoom to it, it's
Safe the
really...
neighbor says, what are 4 cubes and a circle doing?
I don't know. What are they doing? I need to...
Safe the neighbor says, they are dancing with Doom Guy.
Okay. Field of view. What? I added a... What? That's why I added a camera to the camera. What? So this is like camera, field of view shaker. Okay, camera, shaker, camera, zoom, camera. Okay, I have everything. Right? Okay, let's say that I have everything. I will turn on everything because why not?
Safe the neighbor says, Crazy Tech Studio stated what 3 times?
Oh, sorry. What are 4 cubes and the circle doing? They are dancing with the Doom Guy. Nice. Nice joke. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. No. Will they play? No. No, 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 no. Camera zoom.
Safe the neighbor says, if I made a 2D engine 3D.
Yes, if you make.
Safe the neighbor says, can you make a 3D engine 4D?
It's possible. It's possible. It's not common, but it's possible. So, like this one, I need to copy and put on the post-processing. Why it's importing the camera?
Safe the neighbor says, let's do the deal then.
I don't want it. I'm just trying to add the shaking things. Maybe I should watch the video then. It's so weird.
Hello and welcome to this field tutorial. I'm
Safe the neighbor says,
exactly
let's
all
do
of
the deal
these.
then.
I don't want to do it.
So the light one, and I back the cool. Let's go with color grading. So that will change the start of it.
Safe the neighbor says, make a 4D game soon.
Maybe one day I will. Color grading shaker. Okay, everything that has a shaker, I will shaker. I will add. I will add a shaker. I don't know.
Realistic border says, hi.
Realistic border RP. Hi. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Okay. Don't ask. I'm just doing it. Like I'm adding shakers to everything. Okay. I need to disable the lens distort, and I need to remove this, and I need to disable the lens distort. The zoom maybe could be here, but I'll put like 2 seconds, amplitude 100 million, frequency 100.
Save the neighbor says, hi, you smell like pie.
Smell like pie? What?
Realistic border says, don't mind my name XD, it's not my main channel, it's for a game.
Okay, okay.
Save the neighbor says, how do you say pie on your language?
Torta. It could be called torta.
Realistic border says, you can call me David if you want. Save the neighbor says, how do you say tea in your language?
Yeah. Why are you asking this question? I'll call you David.
Realistic border says, what languages do you speak except English? I'm curious.
I speak Portuguese because I'm from Portugal, and I also
Save
do.
the neighbor says, say it or Illinois boil you in a mug with a power.
With my say it or I will boil you with the mug with a. What language do you speak except English? I'm curious. Portuguese. I can also speak Spanish.
Realistic border says, oh nice.
I can also speak nothing else really. Yeah. But do I have a vignette effect?
Save the neighbor says, say tea in Portuguese.
It's called chá. Why? Why? So basically what this is telling me is that for me to configure the...
Save the neighbor says, Ida Chai in Arabic.
Oh, it's the same in Arabic? That's nice. I didn't know, which is amazing. Status wiggle permitted. Random wiggle.
Realistic border says, Messi or Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. I like it. It's like... The difference between Messi and Ronaldo is that Messi was born with the gift of being a great player already, and Ronaldo needed to grind to...
Realistic border says, W.
Yeah, to reach its potential. And like, it shows you that it shows you that through the power of you grinding and doing your best and trying every time your best, you someday will reach that point. And that's the most amazing thing. That's my opinion, of course. But yeah.
Safe the Neighbor says, did you know that the reason there are two words for tea is because northern China called it cha but southern China called it tea, so the countries bordering northern China call it some variation of cha.
Did you know that the reason there are two words for tea, it's because northern China call it cha, but southern China call it tea. So the country bordering North China call it some variation of cha.
Safe the Neighbor says, and the ones that were traded by sea in southern China call it some variation of tea.
Oh my god, that makes sense. Did you know that like Portugal was the one that had a lot of trading routes to China, to India and China basically, and Macau from China was basically a country that I think it's Macau. No, it's Macau. Yeah, it is. It was from Portugal until 2004, I think. I'm not sure about the dates.
Realistic Border says, let's serve favorite food.
My favorite food is bacalhau com natas. It's like koi fish with cream, like what's called natas in English? Yeah, cream. Oh, it's so like it's koi fish with
Safe the
cream.
Neighbor says,
And
what do you think about this fact?
if that's
Realistic
true,
Border says,
which
nice.
I believe, I think that's an amazing fact. I didn't know that, but that's amazing. Honestly. I'm like, I just want the camera to shake. Like, you can check, like, the camera is shaking. Like, something is happening. Okay? Something is happening. I don't know what the hell is happening. What the hell is happening?
Safe the Neighbor says, tea was invented in China BTW, that's why the name originated there.
I know. I didn't know that tea was from China. I knew that was from the East. I think it's East. Yeah, I knew it was from there, like Arabic, India, China. Yeah, I knew it. I really am trying to understand, like, priority 0. I don't know why it's not shaking. Maybe it's because I have a lot of things and it's just messing up. It's just messing with me. Really? Honestly, I don't know why. Right? Because, like, you can see this is scaling. I don't know why it's scaling. Like, I press the button, but it doesn't do anything, which is so weird.
Safe the Neighbor says, it was originally Chinese. First instance of boiling leaves for its nutrients and taste was Chinese. It wasn't Chinese but in northern China, but it spread to South China, that's why it's common. Safe the Neighbor says, in Middle East and India.
It's nice. That's a really interesting fact. See, I'm learning the field library, and I'm learning history. It's amazing. Like, learning this type of facts, I'm impressed. I'm not joking, I'm really impressed. So I'll put it like the here, depth of field, Gaussian, bouquet, okay. No, I'll do Gaussian, start.
Safe the neighbor says, you're learning tea history.
Yeah, I am. I'm just messing around with values to see if anything works. I forgot if I change things.
Safe the neighbor says, this is becoming the average brutish classroom.
Nice, that's the greatest thing ever, because I love learning. And learning while I code, something that I'm not opposed to. So yeah, medium one. Wait, sorry. I'll do. I am. I just don't understand why the shaking doesn't work.
Safe the neighbor says, tea history.
Yeah. Okay.
Safe the neighbor says, did you know that Jesus, peace be upon him, was Palestinian?
Did you know that Jesus, peace be upon him? I don't think I understood. I really am trying to understand this and doing my best. But this is so weird. I just like I have all of this, if all of these, like I have two vignette shakers. So let's remove this one.
Safe the neighbor says, he was Palestinian. In Islam we say peace be upon him to honor the prophets.
Oh. You know a lot of stuff. Congrats, bro. What? Really, congrats. That's impressive. Like... Position shaker. I don't know why.
Safe the neighbor says, I am a dictionary.
But that's impressive. I'm not opposed to it. It's really good. Learning, it's one of the best things ever. Honestly, I really love learning, so... So, like... I would like to have two properties. Okay. Like, you can see the camera being all weird and whatnot, but I don't understand why. I think, like, I think it's because of the wiggle. Okay. I think it's because of the wiggle that the camera is like weirdly doing this. The problem with this is that we are using a virtual camera and like cinema cam shaker. Do we have any type of shaker for the Cine machine? Yeah, we do have it. Default shake amplitude, like do this and...
Save the Neighbor says, did you know that Spain was once a Muslim country?
No, it was not. It's not like that. Supposedly, like, Muslim conquered the south of Spain. That at that time it was only Spain, and then Portugal was formed at that time. At least that's what I know from history. Portugal was formed at that time, and Portugal and it was called Condado de Portugalense, and the Spain country was called I don't remember. It was like Castello or something, and the French helped us conquer the south of, at that time it was Spain basically, but yeah, it was not Spain, it was, then it became Spain and Portugal. Yeah, that's why at the south of Portugal, if you come to Portugal and visit us...
Save the Neighbor says, Al-Andalos.
Yeah, maybe. If you come to the south of Portugal, you'll have like a really similar architecture to Muslim countries' architecture. Yeah, I don't know a lot, but I know some stuff, but I don't know a lot. But it's fine. I just don't understand why it's not applying the camera effects. Like the post-processing stuff, it's applying, but what I want is like add a camera effect. I just want to add a camera effect. Really, it's I'm getting angry because it's also, we are reaching the time of the day that we are going to have dinner.
Save the Neighbor says, wanna create our own language?
I have already created... what do you mean language? Like talking language? I think Star Trek did that, or it was some kind of film that in terms of talk language, I think it was a film creator, a film producer that created the language for the elves or something like that. Yeah, it's really interesting.
Save the Neighbor says, talking.
Oh, talking, yeah. I'm not that good. Because you need like, for you to create a language, if I did it, it needed to be really, really, really basic. What do I need? Okay. I really just want
Save the Neighbor says, please man.
We can try to create a language. Post-process. Like, you can do a lot of things from this thing. I really thought that it was just a way for you to interact with the camera and add effects.
Save the neighbor says, so I think we need 25 letters. Save the neighbor says, pets design them later.
Let's design them later.
Save the neighbor says, let's asterisk.
So you really want to design like a new language in terms of letters and whatnot? It will be a really fun project. Because like let's say like people didn't think about it, right?
Save the neighbor says, we man.
Yeah, I'm not saying I'm not opposed to it.
Save the neighbor says, Illinois got 2 other buddies to help us.
Okay.
Save the neighbor says, then Illinois tell people I'm trilingual.
You're what? Scale shake. So maybe this is the thing. It's not the camera shake, it's this thing. Remove this, remove. Scale shake.
Save the neighbor says, I'm bilingual BTW.
What language do you speak?
Save the neighbor says, basically Illinois tell people I speak 3 languages and I created a language I currently speak W. Save the neighbor says, 2 asterisk.
Oh, okay. Yeah, people...
Save the neighbor says, Arabic.
So, yeah, okay. How hard is Arabic compared to, like, English? Honestly. What the hell did happen? What the... What?
Realistic Border says, what program you use for making the game?
This is Unity. I use Unity Game Engine. I'm like having I have so much problems. What the hell? Like, the scale shake applies to the object.
Realistic Border says, oh okay, I didn't see it.
Oh, no problem. My only problem with this is...
Save the neighbor says, Arabic is 18 superscript 1 times harder than English.
So, like, can I ask you a question? Do you read from right to left?
Save the neighbor says, Google how to pronounce this letter.
What the hell is that?
Realistic Border says, me.
What do you mean? Realistic Border. Are you a coder? Are you a developer? I will later. I just want to test, like, okay, at least
Safe the
it's...
neighbor says, it's right to left, yay.
Yeah, it's right, left. I knew it. Like, for me it's so weird because I'm used to the
Safe
left
the
to
neighbor
right.
says, Google how to pronounce it.
Why?
Realistic Border says, I develop Roblox games in how to make real games.
I like to make real game. It's an age. Okay. Let's see.
Ha.
Ha. Okay.
Safe the neighbor says.
So you can make it, like, download. I will recommend. It's like not a good recommendation, but I will recommend you to start with Godot. Godot game engine. I have it, honestly. I do have it.
Realistic Border says, bro, my PC literally has superpowers, like for some time it started beeping and it ain't booting, and RN when I turned it on it just worked. Safe the neighbor says, that's not how you say it. Safe the neighbor says, how asterisk.
No, okay. I copy and pasted the letter. It was Google saying it, it was not me. Ha. Ha. I do.
Safe the neighbor says, check it in it. Realistic Border says, I want to make a shooting game, but it how?
Basically, a suggestion is you start... I'm getting really hungry. It's like getting the time to dinner.
Safe the neighbor says, Google was wrong. Realistic Border says, what you eating?
It's a white chocolate cookie.
Realistic Border says, oh Nick. Realistic Border says, nice asterisk.
Cinemachine impulse. So it was true, I needed a Cinemachine impulse.
Realistic Border says, I meant to say nice, my bad.
Oh, no problem, I understood it. I think it's telling me that you need a Cinemachine camera shaker. And other noise.
Safe the neighbor says, see in YouTube how to pronounce.
I will see it, I will see it. Let me just try to...
Safe the neighbor says, that letter is hard for a non-Arab to say. Realistic Border says, what are you trying to do, RN?
I will explain in a bit.
Safe the neighbor says, Arabic has grammar extremely difficult and complicated. Realistic Border says, okay.
Yeah, I bet. I know because I can't, like, I see the letters but I don't understand them because I'm not learning Arabic, but yeah, but I it seems like a hard language, not gonna lie. You'll need an input listener. Um, oh my god, what the? Okay, nice. Finally! Okay, okay. Stop playing around.
Safe the neighbor says. Checking YouTube out to say.
I will. But let me just try to add this. Really, I really want to try this, and I was trying so hard that I really want to achieve it. It's like on the virtual on the hell is going on the virtual camera. I need to remove this, and I need to remove this. I need to add sorry, I need to add an extension. It's a Cine Machine listener. I think it's impulse listener, and I need to add a
Safe the neighbor says. Do you top before I get messy to beat Orlando?
No, don't try to threaten me. Just don't. I don't like that type of behavior. We are here having fun. We are not trying to manipulate or try to be aggressive towards anyone, so be respectful.
Safe the neighbor says. Do it or Illinois eat a biscuit with soup.
Why don't you do that? I don't think that's bad, actually.
Safe the neighbor says. Do it or Illinois call Portugal chili.
You can call Portugal shield. I don't care. Honestly. It will add so much vibe to the game. Come on, Jesus. Yeah. The film grain, it doesn't need to be really substantial. Just a bit to make it just a bit. Oh my god. 0. Let's put it at 1.
Safe the neighbor says. Do you like?
Do I like Chile? Never went there. I don't know. Maybe, but I never went there really. Maybe it's not working because I have a lot of errors. But what I can do is
Realistic border says go eat.
go eat. See ya. I'm just trying to figure it out, like I will figure it out.
Realistic border says Saya.
See ya. Have a nice night. Oh, I will end the stream. It's getting the time to end the stream. I just want to see the when it explodes, to see if it adds any type of feedback. And after that, I will be gone.
Realistic border says when you gonna stream again. Save the Daber says well I gotta ask Rolando or Pepsi.
Rolando or Pepsi? What's Rolando? Oh my god, I added the cameras. No!
Realistic border says, oh man. Okay.
Okay. Ooh, I liked it. It was working. Let me remove this one. Maybe it was using the wrong one. Oh, jeez. Why? I think it was using the wrong one and that's why it was working. Something is happening. I don't know what's happening, but something is.
Save the Daber says, see how to pronounce in YouTube.
I liked it. What? Can I reset? Reset. Yeah, reset. Then I really 0.1. Let's see. It's so subtle. And if I put 0 and then I shake. Okay, I think it okay, and then I do the shake.
Save the Daber says, what does puta mean?
That's slang in Portuguese. I don't use that word. Okay, but it's working. Finally, let's do the final test before I go.
Save the Daber says, meaning?
I'll tell you 1 second. I just need to. Okay, it's following around, which is amazing. Can it target? Please. Okay.
Save the Daber says, I heard Ronaldo said it.
It's slang. I'm not going to say it.
Save the neighbor says, slang for?
Oh man, you can Google it. I'm not going to say it.
Save the neighbor says, say it in a nicer word.
A woman of life. I don't know how to say it in a proper way. Let's do something like play Astro. Okay. And something was happening. It was working. But maybe what I need to do is actually
Save the neighbor says, next time I meet a Spanish dude, I'ma call him that.
don't. Like Spanish and Portuguese people try to make you say that just for the lols because you don't know what you are saying, but don't. I don't support that type of behavior, so don't.
Save the neighbor says, I'm joking.
Yeah. Let's put it like 2 seconds. I'll need to go one by one, but I don't know if this is going to work properly. But I'm getting there. At least I was able to make it work.
Save the neighbor says, man, at this point I realized what is soccer.
Soccer is football. Not like American
Save
Skull.
the Neighbor says, soccer is just a group of 22 men running around and kicking balls into a box.
Yeah. Eat me, eat me, eat me. Eat me. I like it. I like it. What?
Save the Neighbor says, did you get it?
Yeah, I did. And if I had like transform that scale shake, I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm adding something. Okay. I really enjoy this thing. Come on, what? I'm not sure if this is going to work because I will try to use it on a UI component, but I'm not 100% sure that this is going to work. But I will try. Scale shake. Okay. Scale shake. Okay. And I think I already did this. Scale shake. Yeah. So I will need to go to the scene UI and single player overlay.
Save the Neighbor says, your headphones look cool. How much do they cost?
$300 euros. This is Sony MX5. So yeah, Sony MX5 HW MX5. Yeah, Sony HW. Sorry, Sony. This is the model.
Crazy Tech Studio says, Sony WH-1000XM5.
Yeah, that's my setup. I use it with a cable.
Save the Neighbor says, man, that ain't Sony, that's Sony WNX4.
Yeah. So if I'm doing this correctly, I want like the health bar. I don't know. Shake. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but
Tinambro says, hi.
Oh, Tinambro, welcome. I want to shake the screen.
Save the Neighbor says, what's your favorite Ninja Turtle?
And there's Raffaello, there's Donatello, there's... I don't remember. Let's see if this works. Like... I'm not
Realistic Order says, that guy finished eating.
Oh, dude, you're so fast! Oh, and I was able to make it work. Do you wanna see it? I need to add asteroids. Oh my god! The camera is shaking, like the camera is shaking a little, But at least it's shaking. It's amazing. It's amazing. This is test amplitude. The default shake amplitude should be...
Ambrose says, which game development? Safe the Daber says, send me your DC.
Send me your DC. I don't know what's DC. It's shaking. I like it. I do like it. I need to go to the single player. I'm impressed. I will add like 5 here, and then I will go to the prefabs, the Astros, and I think like the shake, the camera shake, the duration is fine, but the amplitude is so small that you can't feel it. So I'll add like 10 for each one. So it does make you feel. So it's so drastic that there's like, you'll see it. Oh, I like it. I do like it. Finally. I want to add the feedback, and like I will add a lot of feedback to the things, like the feel plugin. Once we understand how to configure everything, like it will improve the game feel by a lot.
Says, are you use green screen?
No, I don't use green screen. I wish I had green screen. Because if I... Oh my god! That's amazing! Jesus! That's a lot! That's a lot. I need to lower that down just a bit. Jesus. That's a lot. Okay, 4, it's a nice...
says, who is this?
Who, what? I don't use green screen. I use this prism lens. Yeah, I'm sorry. Jesus, it was so funny. Oh, and it's becoming and like the scale makes it pop like a lot. I like it. Like the scale when you lose health, it makes the game pop a lot. Come on, I need asteroids. What? I'm interacting with the health slider.
Safe the Daber says, this. Safe the Daber says, chord. Safe the Daber says, equals DC.
Discord. Oh, send you the Discord. Yeah, sure.
Teen Ambrose says, bye bro, good night.
Bye bro. I'm gonna go as well. I'm just gonna send the Discord. Yeah.
Crazy Tech Studio says,
there you go.
Link.
So, yeah. I like it. I do like it. I just need to make an improvement to the UI. I thought the health was not interactable.
Teen Ambrose says, Op Studio.
Oh yeah, OBS, yes. I use OBS and Prism Lens. 1 second. Yeah, I'll have to go have dinner now, but I know what I can do now. Like I
Safe
can
the
make.
neighbor says, just tell me your user.
You can enter there. One.
Safe the neighbor says, send new user in the chat. Teen Ambro says, laptop or PC using. Safe the neighbor says, I can't use the link RN. Teen Ambro says, Mikishu Ro.
Yeah, I was muted. Sorry.
Safe the neighbor says, man, what do we call our new language?
Don't know. But I really have to go. Thank you, everyone that joined the stream. To answer your question, Teen Ampro, I use a laptop because it's my daily driver. I'm not sure if I've already answered that, but I think so. I also have a desktop, but I do use mostly the laptop because it's my daily driver, and I have a lot of things here that I need to work. And since it's just plug and play, I use a MacBook Pro, M1 Pro as well. Yeah, I really am impressed with Apple. And you can see I'm developing, I'm doing stream. I have a lot of things open at once, and I can do it in a MacBook, which is amazing to begin with. So yeah, I'll end up the stream here. I want to say thank you to everyone that joined and interacted with me. I really appreciate everyone that came and asked questions. So see you guys on the next one, and the next one will be on Tuesday. And hopefully everyone can join, and we'll have
Safe the neighbor says, goodbye.
a great time. Also, I hope that I can, since today I did not finish the camera effects, I just started implementing them. Hopefully next stream I can finish up the camera effects. If I do anything off camera...
Safe the neighbor says, wait.
Yeah, okay. if I do anything off camera, I'll...
Safe the neighbor says, what do we call our language? Safe the neighbor says, before you go.
Trevor. It's almost the name of someone. Trevorish.
Crazy Tech Studio says,
Trevorish. Something invented right now, like Trevorish. What do you speak? I speak Trevorish. It's fine. It works.
Safe the neighbor says,
goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Really appreciate everyone that's tuned in. I think this stream was very good for me to learn as the effect, and hopefully the next one will be better. Thank you, everyone, and a lot of knowledge that we shared, by the way. So see you, everyone. Really appreciate it.